Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing okay in lockdown and not going too crazy. I know homeschooling is a little bit of a challenge, so I've been keeping myself busy in between work with redecorating. I've decorated Brody's playroom, I've decorated our bedroom, I've tidied every cupboard in the house. My next project was the garden. So during lockdown we saw Aldi had a special buy garden furniture set, which was like an L-shaped sofa, which we wanted to get for under the gazebo in the garden. We normally have our dining table under there and chairs, but I think that it's more of a sofa area than a dining area, if that makes sense. So somewhere you can chill of an evening with a drink, you can have the fire pit on. So we went for the grey rattan sofa set, which was $199, but we also purchased the waterproof cover, and that covers, it's really generous, and that covers the whole garden set. So if you want to see how I got my garden from this to this, then carry on watching. Okay, so this is the finished sofa. I'll just show you now different ways that you can have it. This is the sofa with the footrest attached to the left. The one on the right can move so that you can have it like a table, or attached like, well, pushed against it like this as another footstool. We wanted it like this. Obviously you have the option to fix it the other side. It's totally up to you. Or you can have it pushed against the fixed end, making it longer on one side. This is also an Aldi bargain. This was one of last year's special buys. So all the cushions have a waterproof finish. The actual seat pads are a good thickness, so they are nice and comfortable. And a good place to store your waterproof cover when not in use is under the movable cube. This is easy to lift up and just push under. I've since picked up some accessories from B&M and Aldi, and here's the finished look.